In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using automations in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple workflow that sends the right email to the right person at the right moment, without you lifting a finger each time. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is your control center for building hands-off email experiences, like welcome messages, follow-ups, or reminders triggered by your subscribers' actions. On the Automations page, choose a starting point. A great option is Welcome New Contacts, which sends a greeting as soon as someone joins your audience. If you have a different goal, pick another template that matches what you want to achieve. Templates give you a structured start, so you don't have to begin from scratch. Next, open the Automation Builder by selecting Generate Flow or Edit Flow, depending on what's shown for your chosen template. This builder is where you define when the automation runs and what it sends. Think of it as a simple map, a trigger on one side, and an email message ready to go on the other. Set your trigger. For a welcome series, choose the condition that fires when a new contact subscribes. This tells Mailchimp exactly when to start the automation. Be clear about your audience here so the right people receive your message at the right time. Now customize the email that will be sent automatically. Start with the subject line. Keep it clear and benefit-focused so subscribers know what they'll get. Then refine the email content. Introduce your brand, set expectations about what kinds of emails you'll send, and include a clear call to action, like visiting your site or exploring a resource. As you design, match your brand colors and fonts. Add a simple header image if it fits, and make sure the layout reads well on mobile. Short paragraphs, descriptive buttons, and accessible alt text for images all help your message land smoothly. When you're happy with the subject, content, and design, click Save and Continue. This locks in your edits so you can move on confidently. Take a moment to review the automation flow. Confirm the trigger is correct, that the email content looks right, and that everything aligns with your goal. A careful review prevents surprises after launch. When everything looks good, click Activate to turn on the automation. From now on, Mailchimp will send your message automatically whenever the trigger condition is met. And remember, you can return to the automation anytime to adjust the content or fine-tune the flow as your needs evolve.